Hi everyone, welcome to Sunny Sundays messages for your week ahead. I'm so happy to be joining you back at home now. And I have some general messages for everyone listening to this video. So the general messages for this week is that there are changes that you need to make and you need to narrow down in terms of the options. So don't focus on everything out there. Boom, boom, boom. Focus in on 2 or 3 things that is going to make an impact for you. So focus on the most important things this week, and then you'll be successful. Whereas if you focus on too many things this week, it's going to distract you, and it's not going to be as successful. And so those of you who'd like to have particular messages this week, you can choose from 3 decks, and the first deck is the African Goddess Rising deck. The second is the Secret Languages of Animals deck. And the third is the Celtic Tree Oracle deck. So those of you who chose the African Goddess Rising deck, your message is from Oya, and it's all about storms. So she's the Yoruba tribe goddess from Nigeria, and so for you this week, this is all about changes and changes that you're not making, and the part of the issue is that you're part of the problem. So it's really, really important for you guys this week to really think and really be honest with yourself about the changes that you need to make, and then you need to make them, and also understand that there's going to be consequences for every decision you make, but accept those consequences, and it's going to be so much easier to change. Okay, those of you who chose the Secret Languages of Animals cards, your message is from the Red Squirrel. So the red squirrel is all about preparation and groundedness and preparing. So this week is a really good week to organize and prepare, and again, not to disperse your energy across too many things, because that's what the squirrel does. And then the squirrel forgets all of the where he or she planted all the nuts, during that time when they come back for the winter. So it's really important to focus on specific areas for you guys this week. So it's all about preparation, and with the preparation, you're going to set yourself up for success. And the final deck is the Celtic Tree Oracle deck. And your message for those of you who chose this deck is the Jura Oak. The Jura Oak. So this is all about stability. Get in nature this week, and really know that actually this is a really good card, because your manifestations are coming into reality, and they will come into reality. So you need to just enjoy, sit back, enjoy, look at the trees, understand nature, and really get grounded as much as you can, grounded in knowing that what you are wanting is going to happen. So I'm excited for you guys. So there's your messages for this week. So great to join you back at home now, and I really look forward to joining with you next week. Thank you.